operators of the Ukrainian Armed Forces 53rd Brigade have detected tanks and other armored combat vehicles and shelters belonging to the invading Russian army near the city of Avdiivka in eastern Donetsk region. The Russian soldiers gathered near one of the tanks failed to shoot the approaching drone with an automatic weapon. The tank and soldiers were destroyed by the drone strike. Moreover, other military equipment that were about to launch an attack in the direction of Avdiivka were detonated and disabled.